Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rachit Singh. I am a desktop support engineer. Today we are going to unboxing a Dell laptop. This is the laptop we will be unboxing today. Let's open the box and see what comes inside. First, let's open the box. Here we have the laptop charger and the power cable. This is the laptop power adapter and this is power cable. Here we have the user manual, warranty card and other documentation. Now let's take the laptop out of the box. Here is the laptop. Now let's peel off the protective cover. Now let's take the laptop outside. The laptop looks really nice. Now I will plug in the charger and power on the laptop. Let's unpack the charger. Now let's connect the charger to the laptop. Now I will press the power button to turn on the laptop. The laptop has powered on successful. Now I will test the laptop to make sure everything is working properly. This is an laptop Intel Core i3 laptop. It's come with 8 GB of RAM. This currently price is around 45,000 around. I tested the laptop. The laptop runs very smoothly. It's a great choice of studying and official work. Thank you for watching this video.